Hello and welcome to Everything Else Australia. On this channel, I'll show you how to maintain garden tools, power tools, and garden equipment. I own a Cub Cadet LT42 and telepower ride-on lawnmower. Most of the videos focus on the Cub Cadet and its repair and maintenance, and of course how to cut the lawn. I also use a Husqvarna Mark II chainsaw. I explain how to change the chain and how to idle the chainsaw, the use of oil and petrol. And I'm talking about other power tools for the garden, which you'll see in my videos. And of course, the usual tools like a circular saw, hammer, spirit level, etc. are also featured. I also have videos of wildlife in my garden. Feel free to check out my videos. You might find something useful. If you like my channel, please subscribe and leave a comment so I know what I can improve. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Enjoy. Tom.